In this video, we're comparing GoHighLevel's website builder with WordPress, two very different ways to build your online presence. What's up guys, my name is Kyle. If you're trying to choose between GoHighLevel and WordPress for your business website, you might be wondering which one actually makes your life easier and which one gives you the results that you need. Both tools let you build websites, but they approach the job from very different angles. One prioritizes everything in one place, and the other is the classic flexible website platform that powers millions of sites across the web. By the end of this video, you'll understand how each platform handles websites, the strengths and weaknesses of each, which one fits your business goals, and a simple framework for choosing the right tool. Let's dive in. Before we get into the features list, it helps to understand why this comparison matters. In today's world, a website isn't just a static page. It's how people discover your business, learn what you offer, and take action, book, buy, or subscribe. Different platforms affect speed of setup, ease of updates, integrations with email, automations, and CRMs, and scalability. So the question isn't just, it's which one builds the right site for your business goals. With that foundation, let's take a close look at each platform. GoHighLevel's website builder is part of its all-in-one ecosystem. That means your website connects natively with funnels. It works directly with your forms and automations. Contacts, calendars, and follow-ups can be triggered from your site, and everything lives in the same place. The biggest strength here is integration. If a lead fills out a form, books a call, or opts in for a lead magnet, GoHighLevel knows who they are and automatically routes them into your CRM and workflows. For businesses that rely on lead capture, appointment booking, sales funnels, and follow-ups, having the website natively tied to those systems is a major advantage. On the flip side, GoHighLevel is designed for business websites and funnels, not ultra custom sites with complex design needs. It's optimized for function over custom artistry. Let's contrast that with WordPress. WordPress is the world's most popular website platform, powering over 40% of the web. WordPress is great because unmatched flexibility, tens of thousands of themes and plugins, full control over designs and features. You can build almost anything, from blogs to e-commerce, membership sites to portfolios. WordPress handles it all. The trade-off is that WordPress usually requires hosting setup, security plugins, theme and plugin maintenance, and separate integrations for forms, calendars, CRMs, and automations. So while WordPress can be more powerful for complex sites, it also requires more tools, more maintenance, and more decisions. In short, GoHighLevel equals fast, integrated business site. WordPress equals flexible, standalone ecosystem. Now let's compare specific areas where business owners typically care most: domain and hosting. Before we talk features, here's a practical point. With GoHighLevel, you don't manage hosting separately. It's all taken care of inside the platform. With WordPress, you do need a hosting provider, domain connection, and SSL setup. This adds complexity but also control. If you want simplicity and fewer moving parts, GoHighLevel feels lighter. If you want control over every technical detail, WordPress is unbeatable. One of the biggest differences between these platforms is how approachable they are. GoHighLevel website builder is designed for business users. Drag and drop templates tailored to conversions, and templates oriented around funnels and appointments. WordPress initial setup is more involved. Themes and page builders vary in ease. Plugins add functionality, but each has its own learning curve. If you want to launch a business site quickly, GoHighLevel gets you there faster. If you enjoy tinkering and custom control, WordPress gives you the tools, but there's a steeper climb. Here's where the platforms split. WordPress, near limitless customization. Page builders like Elementor, Divi, Bricks, or Gutenberg. You can build unique designs not limited by templates. GoHighLevel. Templates are polished and conversion focused. Customization is solid for business use cases. It's not designed for ultra custom design projects. If design freedom is your top priority, WordPress wins. If a clean functional design that converts visitors into leads is your your priority, GoHighLevel holds its own. Integrations and automations. This is where GoHighLevel shines. With GHL, forms plug in directly to your CRM. Calendars schedule appointments smoothly. Funnels and sequences trigger automations without extra tools. WordPress can do all of this too, but usually with third-party plugins. For example, Gravity Forms, Fluent CRM, or Zapier, more setup and maintenance, and multiple systems talking to each other. So if your website is meant to nurture and generate leads automatically, GoHighLevel is more than a builder. It's a business system with your website at the center. Performance and SEO. Website speed and search engine optimization matter for visibility. WordPress, you have more control over performance, caching, image optimization, SEO plugins, and structured data. This is great for long-term content sites. GoHighLevel, pages are optimized for speed and conversions. Built-in SEO settings for titles and descriptions. Works well for local and business sites. If your goal is long-form content and technical SEO, WordPress gives you more depth. If you're focused on lead generation and conversions, GoHighLevel speed and simplicity often win out. Security and maintenance. Security is often overlooked until something goes wrong. GoHighLevel handles hosting, updates, and SSL behind the scenes. You don't worry about WordPress core updates or plug-in vulnerabilities. With WordPress, you manage hosting, plugins, themes, and updates. More customization equals more places where things can break. If you want less maintenance responsibility, GoHighLevel takes care of much of the tech for you. Which is best for you? Here's a simple way to think about it. Choose GoHighLevel if you want a business site tied directly to funnels and automations. You rely on appointments, follow-ups, or conversions. You want everything in one platform, or you don't want to manage hostings or plugins. Choose WordPress if you need full design control. You're building a content-heavy site or blog. You want to control technical SEO granularly, or you enjoy customizing features with plugins. Neither platform is wrong. They're just built for different jobs. If you followed along, you should now have a clear picture of how the GoHighLevel website builder and WordPress differ, not just in features, but in purpose. GoHighLevel is a fast integrated solution that keeps your website connected to your business system. WordPress is a flexible, full control platform that can do almost anything if you're willing to manage the details. If you want to test GoHighLevel yourself or any other tools I mentioned in this video, check the link in the description. Just so you know, these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. That support helps us keep creating free step-by-step tutorials like this. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.